In 1932, Australia had a problem. Not with an army, not with invaders, but with emus. Yeah, giant flightless birds were taking over Western Australia, eating crops like an all-you-can-eat buffet. Farmers were desperate, so the government sent in the military with machine guns against birds, and guess what? The emus won. Turns out emus are fast. Soldiers couldn't hit them, and even when they did, these birds could tank bullets like mini dinosaurs. One officer even said, "If we had an army of emus, we'd never lose a war." After thousands of bullets, only a handful of emus went down. The rest? Still running, still eating, still undefeated. In the end, the humans retreated, and the emus, they ruled the land. Moral of the story, never underestimate a bird with a plan.